Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to turn off notifications on Instagram. So first of all, launch your Insta application and tap on your profile to the bottom right corner. Tap on this three-line icon to the upper right hand corner. Settings, notifications, and you can pause your all notifications by toggle owning this option and select the duration. Also, you can disable notification individually. You can tap on messaging and calls, and you can turn off message notification. And also you can do this process from your phone settings. So for that, open your phone settings, tap on notifications, and here you have to tap on Instagram and toggle off allow notification, and that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to how to do it. Thank you for watching.